This is the evening view from Vienna, the city, capturing the sunset. It's 8:15 in the evening and the sun is setting. It was a beautiful day today, sunny, quite hot. Looks like summer has come early, and yeah, it's a beautiful view from where we're actually staying in the city here in Austria, in the city of Vienna. Such a beautiful sunset, and just remind us about the beauty of God's creation, reminding us on how to count our blessings and be grateful and just enjoy the gift of life. We are lucky to wake up in the morning with no pain, no sickness. Just being reminded here to count your blessings every day, if you can. Because some people would like to be in your shoes, and they couldn't. And so this is a wonderful reminder that we've just completed a beautiful day and getting to the night, ready for another day tomorrow. Wishing everyone a very good day, wherever you are logging in from, when you watch this live later. Yeah, we changed location yesterday, and here's a cathedral right outside our accommodation. It's a very old cathedral. Looks very regal, very beautiful, and again another reminder of how we need to value our life, value our friendship, and appreciate every little things that comes your way. So a beautiful sunset for all of us to enjoy, and I hope you enjoy it from wherever you're sitting. And this is lovely Vakamode. Good evening from beautiful Austria in the city of Vienna. And here we are watching the sunset. And again, for this amazing cathedral that is right next to our accommodation, sharing it here and hoping that you will have a very spiritual day today. And then across from us, it's another beautiful architecture right there. And this is something I really love about Europe, how they value their architecture, their buildings, even though we have some new modern buildings coming up everywhere. But here they are, looking after their heritage buildings, and keep as much as they can for the future generations. Okay, so vinakavakalevu from us, and sa vakamwadi tukayani vacuum nikeve. And until we see you again, ni samwadi manda. Naka. Nakalimutan